So something that we place a lot of importance on with our athletes and clients is taking in the right amount of protein per kilogram body weight. Now, when you look at starting to increase someone's protein intake, then you can do that obviously from a variety of sources: animal, plant-based proteins, and then supplemental sources of protein like whey protein powder and so on. And if someone's in intensive training, then often one of the most convenient ways to increase your protein intake is to take a liquid-based protein like whey protein. And generally people would take that pre and post training. Now, one of the things with whey that we've known for a long time is that whey will increase the amount of insulin you excrete at the time of ingestion. So for example, if you have a bowl of porridge and have a whey protein added to it, you're probably going to increase the insulinogenic effect of that meal, which may or may not be a good thing. If that's post-training, then that can be helpful because insulin is an anti-catabolic hormone and will help push some of the nutrients such as glycogen back into the cell. And if you've got multiple daily training sessions, then the quicker you can restore balance and glycogen levels, the better able you would be to function in the following session. But when we look at food intolerances, what we see with many people is they have problems with, say, dairy products, possibly have problems with digesting whey protein. It's a minority of people, but nonetheless it's something that does occur. So with these types of people, what you can do is you can switch them over to using amino acid blends. So you could switch them over to a blend of branched chain amino acids with essential amino acids. And again, they'd use this typically pre and post training or even intra-workout to enhance protein synthesis at the time when you're incurring damage from intensive training. But there's other types of protein as well which may be more suited to people such as vegans. So they may take in a hemp-based protein. You can get pea-based proteins, pea protein isolate. There's soya proteins as well. So some people are also sensitive to soya, so they may also need the amino acid solutions. So essentially, on top of a base of good animal sources of protein, then you've got these supplemental sources of powder-based proteins. Whey has got many health benefits for those of you who don't experience any intolerances taking whey, but then there's a heap of other solutions for you if you do have problems with whey or milk proteins.